We thought we had it all planned, a dreamy day trip from Lake Como to Venice. Canals, gondolas, pizza, the full Italian fantasy. But what we didn't expect, Venice would surprise us in ways no travel guide ever mentioned. Here's exactly how our day went, plus the do's and don'ts and insider tips. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do Venice in one day. So stay tuned and welcome to my channel. We started our journey from Lake Como early in the morning.
Introdurre il biglietto.
Accommodation in Venice can be very expensive, so if you're looking to stay somewhere near Venice, instead of driving into Venice, which you should never do, we parked our car in Mestre, which is a 15-minute short bus ride to Venice, or Padova or Treviso. They are both accessible by a short train ride away from Venice.
Just park a car over there. Euro for parking, and then got the bus ticket to Venice. 10 minutes.
From here we got tickets per bus. The bus just took us 15 minutes to reach Venice. No car zone means you have to carry your luggage, go over the bridges, stairs, big crowds. So it is better if you book your hotel outside Venice to save time, energy, and of course money. The moment we stepped into Venice, it felt unreal and majestic. No cars, no noise, just bridges, canals, and endless walking streets. Also known as City of Canals or the Floating City, is one of Italy's most Instagrammable cities in the world. It's also a very expensive city, so I'm going to show you exactly what to do and what to avoid to stay in your budget, and how to avoid big mistakes. From transport tax to a €2 gondola trick. This guide will save you time, money, and mistakes. You can still find cheap food in Venice. You just need to look around and check online for rating, reviews, and prices. Famous food in Venice is not pizza or pasta, but Venetian food like ciccati. It's a must try and not very expensive. We stopped for Halal pizza and burgers. Simple, satisfying, and exactly what we needed after hours of walking. Maps and just walked, and honestly, that was the best decision we made. Venice is not meant to be rushed. We wandered through hidden alleys, crossed tiny bridges, and discovered corners that felt straight out of a movie. Cars are absolutely not allowed in Venice. There are no wheels on Venice. They have their own transportation like taxis, buses, ambulance, which run on water. There are water buses. They are called Vaporetto. On one-way ticket is €750 and the day pass is €20. They have 48 and 72 hours option as well. From handmade masks to little Venetian trinkets, the shops were everywhere. We picked up a few souvenirs, but here's the little truth. Don't buy from the first shop you see. Prices vary a lot, and you can haggle if you walk around and compare the prices. If you want to visit Venice's top museums or palaces such as the Galleria dell'Accademia, Palazzo Ducale or Doge's Palace, and San Marco Basilica. It is recommended to book your tickets well in advance to avoid long queues and big crowds. Venice is a popular destination and is very expensive, especially during peak seasons like June, July, or August. So plan your visit wisely and accordingly. Venice can get crowded, like really crowded. By afternoon, the narrow streets were packed and it became overwhelming. Visit early morning or late evening to avoid peak crowds hit. And trust me, the city is so magical in the evening. But here's the trick most tourists don't know. You can actually experience a gondola ride for just €2. Yes, €2. These are called traghetto gondolas and they take you across the Grand Canal. There are 2 traghetto gondolas only. They are called traghetto gondola ferry to Salute and gondola traghetto to Di Santa Sofia. A very short ride, but get the experience without breaking the bank. Of our trip was gondola rides, which is a very popular Venetian experience. Yes, it is expensive. Yes, it is touristy. And yes, it is 100% worth it. Going through the quiet canals while the city slows down around you, that's the memory you cannot replicate. But here's the tip. If on a budget, it can carry maximum 5 people. So you can share the price with others to save some money. After a full day of walking, eating, exploring, and soaking in the beauty, we took the bus back to Mestre, picked our car and drove back to Lake Como at night, tired but completely fulfilled.